We're back with another knife review. Today we are going to take a look at the Civivi Brigand. It is a folding knife with a Wharncliffe style blade, but it's got some nice features too. And it's in close to that what I would call the entry level price range. I believe it's $59. So somewhere in that area. We'll give you some specs, show you how it works. We'll start off by telling you that it's D2 blade. It is a flipper. It has a reversible pocket clip. So it has left or right hand tip up carry. It is 8 inches overall. Blade length is 3.5. Has a flat grind on a plain blade. Handle length is 4.5 inches. G10 for the material. Comes in 3 colors. I believe they are black, tan, and OD green. Weight is 3.4 ounces. It is a manual flipper. This is model 909. I think it's A, but I can't remember exactly. Has stainless steel liners. Has milled triangles in the liners to really cut down on weight but keep the structure and stability of the knife. D2, so it's going to be sharp and easy to keep sharp. Shouldn't have too much problem keeping it clean. I like the G10 scales. They have a little bit of abrasion to them, so not too much. Pocket clip is deep carry stainless steel. Let's go ahead and show you how it cuts. We'll start off with a little paracord here. As you can tell, there is no effort put into that. You just basically run it across the paracord and it cuts. Bring over a piece of cardboard. This one has that tip that I like on it, so we're going to show you. Fits my hand nicely. If I wanted to use the choil, I could. As you can tell, it has a extremely sharp tip, as you would expect from a WE or Civivi knife. Wow, I might have to put this knife in rotation. That was nice. We'll give it a there. A few more cuts. Let's show you how it cuts in a piercing. Wow. You can cut as thin and as accurate as you want. I think some people would say you could circuit size a gnat with this. Very impressive. I will say that I am always impressed with these knives that Civivi puts out. They're always high quality and never any issues. This knife also has a lanyard hole, so that's another little positive. And I like the choil. I do like it when there's enough room for your whole finger to cut with. It's easy to one hand. Very nice. So this is the Civivi Brigand. This is one I definitely recommend you add to your EDC lineup at $59.50. It's definitely an everyday carry. For those of you that are watching on Instagram, join the other loyal AK followers and follow us and like our post. If you're watching on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We do a weekly show, giveaways every week. It's so much to keep up with. Plus, I'd like to say we probably have the best knives at the best prices. Most important thing. That being said, I am C with Atlantic Knife. Signing off.